In this video, we'll show you how to install the FINE cartridges. Start by opening the printer cover. Don't touch the FINE cartridge holder until it stops completely. Now, lift up the color ink cover on the left. Next, we'll prepare the FINE cartridges for installation. Peel the protective tape off and be careful not to touch these parts of the FINE cartridge. Now, we'll install the FINE cartridges. Install the color FINE cartridge in the left holder. Make sure the labels match. Push down on the color FINE cartridge to ensure it's seated properly. Close the color ink cover and press it down until you hear a click. Now, install the black FINE cartridge to the right holder in the same way. Confirm the FINE cartridges are properly installed. If the FINE cartridges are not properly installed, reinstall them. Now, close the printer cover. Make sure to lift up the cover first to unlock the hinge. Not doing so may damage the printer. The FINE cartridge installation is now complete. For more videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.